Once you've designed one activity, you can continue and create several other activities using the art board tool, which is located in the toolbar on your left hand side. So we're going to click on the art board. You can either draw one of the activities or you can select Google Pixel 4. Again, you can click on it again to create subsequent activities. I'm just going to double click on it and rename this second activity. And again, we're just going to put in a number of buttons in this. So when I click on the rectangle, click on the select tool, and again I'm just going to copy and paste that. So now we have four of these. Again, I just copy and pasting. Again, you can just select the rectangle, Control C will copy and Control V will paste. And I'm going to change the background. Actually, make the background red. So I'm going to click on the rectangle, highlight the background and change it to red. Center. Again, I'm going to click on the left hand side here. You can see you have the assets, you have the layers, and again the layers are here. I'm going to click layer number 6 and I'm going to bring it down underneath the other layers, because layer number 6, again, you can name these to make more sense. We'll call it background. And each one of these then is our buttons. So we have button number 1. I'm just going to call this 1. This one is 2, 3, and 4. So here we have our buttons. What I'm going to do now is we have icons in the material.io and the material design. I'm just going to copy some of those icons. I downloaded those earlier. So let's copy. I'm going to right click and paste. And here we have our icon. I'm just going to drag it up here. Enlarge the size of it. And here we have our icon. Again, we don't need to design any of these icons. We can just copy them and use them from the material.io website. Again, we can copy this icon, paste it in here. Paste it over here. Again, like this one down here. Paste again. Obviously, you will be using different icons, and again, it's just a matter of copying those off the material.io/icons, and we can paste them into our app. So here we have, again, I'm just going to go to the top right corner and then I'm going to zoom to fit all. So here we have our 2 activities, and we saw earlier that we can click on prototype, click on our button, drag our arrow from one activity into the other, and that links our 2 together. We have our transition set. We've set the trigger event to a tap, so when you tap on that rectangle, it links into the second activity. This time I'm going to slide up, and again we can view that using our desktop browser. click in the rectangle and you can see the activity like that.